Welcome back to Glenn's Vintage Radio on YouTube. This radio that I have for you today is a 1947 RCA Model 80 AM, FM, shortwave, and a phono input. This is what it would have looked like roughly before I started cleaning it up. That photo is courtesy of Radio Museum. And once it's cleaned up, it has some pretty nice veneers on it, and even though it's square, it still has a pretty nice look to it. Got a new grill cloth. The top has almost like a waterfall feature to it, and it's got new labels that have been replaced on the face. That's the nameplate for it. This is the inside as originally found. None of the caps were replaced. Still had the old electrolytics. All of everything that was caps and out of spec resistors have been replaced in it. And a fuse added to make it a little more safe. This is the list of the tubes on a nice sticker inside the cabinet. 8 tubes on this radio. It plays very well. One of the original or very first FM radios to use the new FM frequency. Had a bad IF can in it that I had to replace, and that was a little tortuous, but anyway, I found one luckily, and replaced the damaged unit. And if you want to learn about maybe how I was finally able to get this radio going, you can take a look at the Antique Radio Forum. So this is a demonstration of the RCA Model 80 from 1947. Right now it's playing on the the FM band.
Monday, high of -9. For long-range weather forecast, visit shorelineclassicsfm.com.
And I have it connected to a set of rabbit ears. You can find these almost anywhere yet. Antique store or any kind of website that sells used electronics, furniture, whatever. You're able to find them. So we only really have 2 local FM stations. There's the tone function. Plays nicely there. Shortwave. See what we have, if anything, in the middle of the day. Some stuff trying to come in there, but daytime it's pretty hard to find anything, and usually there's next to nothing worth listening to on it. A little earlier I had a station coming in from Nashville. But even when they come in, they tend to come in and fade out and come back. So we'll swing it over to the Standard broadcast, or AM. Here's the AM. Our local AM station, and I have beside it this little thing called a select antenna, which basically couples to the antenna, the internal antenna of the radio. There's the internal antenna stuck in here. And it gives it a bit of a boost, but again, depends on, you can find whatever arrangement you can make, even with just a long wire on some of these radios, and it'll make an improvement depending on where you lay the wire. So that's the AM band. I like to turn it down just in case, but here we're going to switch over to the phono port on it now, which is connected to my Bluetooth device here and into the convenient phono port on this radio. Get this wire out of the way here so you can see it. And I just have it connected up to my laptop to a streaming service. The Bluetooth's over to this little receiving device and into the phono port. So that's really a nice feature, because you can pretty much hang any device you want, your phone, a Bluetooth receiver, a CD player, whatever your heart desires, and play whatever music you would like. There it is, 1947 RCA Model 80. I hope you're enjoying these videos. There are plenty more on Glenn's Vintage Radio at YouTube. So check it out, and please subscribe. Thank you.